Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn on stolen device protection on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 and now you want to turn on the stolen device protection on your iPhone or iPad device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, here you will need to open settings in your iPhone device, then scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on soft update and make sure that you're using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest iOS version. So after that, again open settings in your iPhone device, and after that here you will need to scroll down. So after that, here you will need to tap on Face ID and passcode. Then here you will need to enter your iPhone passcode. So after that, you will see this type interface. Here you will need to scroll down here. Then here you will have to find a stolen device protection. So here you will need to tap on this. Then after that, here you can see that is the option of turn on and turn off. Here you will need to turn on this toggle if you want to turn on the stolen device protection. So after that, here you need to tap on OK. Then after that, the stolen device protection will be turned on your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.